I'm just gonna say to Paulo Cruzada, why can't you just stop harassing Joseph Maspinas and Ate Dina Guillermo? Even Mr. Dennis Gill, you're saying about, I want to read it first, take a look. Oh, Paulo Cruzada says, patayin si Mr. Dennis Gill, katayin parang baboy. You know, Paulo Cruzada, you should be ashamed to yourself for what you're saying about to the father of David Gill. Even Ate Dina, you're saying about patayin ko si Ate Dina Guillermo at si Joseph Maspinas. Paulo Cruzada, with all due respect, Ate Dina Guillermo has no family. Joseph Maspinas' uncle had passed away. Wala pong pamilya si Ate Dina at wala pong tito si Joseph Maspinas. Remember, Ate Dina just always went home to Pangasinan. That was her hometown anyway. If you find Ate Dina Guillermo's house, Paulo Cruzada, where is she now? O Santo Domingo, Quezon City, or where is her province was? O Pangasinan. O if you find her, paano ba hanapin si Ate Dina? Or what about Joseph Maspinas? Paano ba hanapin sa Davao? O paano ba hanapin sa Cagayan de Oro? O Paulo Cruzada, just stop harassing at Joseph Maspinas, even Ate Dina Guillermo. Ate Dina, anyway, she is already tired of this toxicity. Alright, she is very tired. And then you still adding Ate Dina Guillermo in group chat. She's no longer in group chat, Paulo Cruzada. Alright, I just want to hear something. Paulo Cruzada, don't harass Ate Dina. Gina said, Joe, why did you say that to Jerick Silva? And you're saying about ISIS. Paulo Cruzada and Gina said, Joe, with all due respect to both of you, can't you both of you just stop harassing Jerick Silva? First of all, Paulo Cruzada, you harassed Teacher May. At least Teacher May did not message me also. She's asking me, why does Paulo Cruzada still attacking me? Or I asked Teacher May, just block him in Facebook. Or ignore him. Whenever you like, you can leave the group.